So in this lecture, we are going to discuss about the problems based on half angle formula. Is it clear? Now, let us take the first problem. If the sides ABC of any triangle ABC are in AP, then prove that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are also in AP. It's a very straightforward question. You see, we have already learned that tan A by 2 is what? It's nothing but under root S minus B into S minus C divided by S into S minus A. Can you remember? Now, if I multiply numerator and denominator with S into S minus A, so we are going to get in the numerator S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, and in the denominator we are going to get S into S minus A. So, numerator which is denoted by del, and in the denominator we are having S into S minus A. Is it clear? Therefore, tan A by 2 is nothing but del by S into S minus A. So what will be cot A by 2? Cot A by 2 will be S into S minus A divided by del. So that thing you just remember. Now they have said that ABC of the triangle are in AP. So we will say that 2B is nothing but A plus C, right? Since ABC are in AP, so we will say that, is it clear to you? Okay. 2 is nothing but A plus C. Now we have to prove that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are also in AP. That is, we have to prove that 2 times cot B by 2 will be equals to cot A by 2 plus cot C by 2. Okay. Now cot B by 2 can be written as, from this funda, what we will say? Here we got cot A by 2 is nothing but S into S minus A by del. So in this case, cot B by 2 can be written as S into S minus B by del. This case, S into S minus A by del. S into S minus C by del. Okay. So we are getting what? 2 times S minus B equals to S minus A plus S minus C. So we are having what? 2S minus 2B equals 2S minus A minus C. So we are getting what? 2B is nothing but A plus C. Is it clear? So we got 2B equals to A plus C, which is absolutely true, which is given in our question that ABC are in AP. Therefore 2B will be equals to A plus C. Okay. So this is true. It means that cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are in AP. If in the triangle ABC are in AP, then cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are also in AP. Is it clear to all of you? Now let us move for the second question based on half angle formula. Now in the second problem they have discussed, they have said that if in any triangle ABC, C into A plus B cos B by 2 equals to B times A plus C cos C by 2, then prove that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, right? Here we will apply the half angle formula to solve this problem. See this one. C A plus B cos B by 2 can be written as under root S into S minus B divided by AC, which is equals to B times A plus C. Cos C by 2 can be written as under root S into S minus C divided by AB. Is it clear to all of you? Now, from both sides you just cancel root over of S by A. So we are getting what? A plus B under root C S minus B equals to A plus C under root B times S minus C. Have you understood this? Now let me square both sides. If we square both sides, what we are going to get? a plus b whole square c times s minus b equals to a plus c whole square b times s minus c. Is it clear? Now, just by simple multiplication, we are getting what? Now, let me take everything in the left hand side, and by combining this and this, and we are taking BC common, so we are left with a plus c whole square minus a plus b whole square. And from this one, we are taking s common, so we are left with c times a plus b whole square minus b times a plus c whole square, and in the right hand side we are having 0. Is it clear to all of you? Absolutely. Now, let me just open the brackets. So what we are going to get? Here we are going to get a square minus b square, so it is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b will give you what? A plus c plus a plus b, that is 2a plus b plus a minus b will give you a plus c minus a minus b, which will yield c minus b. Am I correct? Plus s, open the bracket, a square c, b square c, 2abc, bs square, bc square minus 2abc equals to 0. 2abc goes off. So we are left with what? Tell me fast. In this case, a plus b plus c is basically 2s. S is the semi-perimeter. So in this case, we are having s plus a into, 2s plus a will be equals, because a plus b plus c can be replaced by 2s. So it is 2s plus a into c minus b plus s times a square c, and we are having here a square b. So if we take a square from here, so we are getting what? It's c minus b, right? C minus b. And from here, if we take BC common, so we are having minus BC common if we take, so we are having C minus B again, right? Which is equals to 0. Now, if I take C minus B common, so we are left with what? B into 2s plus a, BC into 2s plus a, plus s times a square minus sbc equals to 0. Is it clear? So it's c minus b. Can you see now? Okay. C minus b. So if I multiply, we are going to get 2bcs, and here it is minus bcs, right? So you will get only SBC. So from here we are getting SBC and ABC and S square, which is equals to 0. Okay. Now you observe carefully. SBC, S is the semi-perimeter. ABC are the length of the sides. So they cannot be negative. If they cannot be negative, then SBC plus ABC plus S square cannot be equals to 0. Why? Because nobody of them are negative. So it will never give you 0. Is it clear? Therefore, the only possibility is C minus B is equals to 0. Because since this part is not equals to 0, so obviously this part equals to 0. Therefore, C minus B equals to 0 implies C is equals to B. C equals to B means the length of the side C, the length of one side whose length is C, which is opposite to angle C, is same as the length of the side B, which is opposite to the angle B. So these two sides of the triangle ABC are equal, implies ABC is an isosceles triangle. Is it clear to all of you? Have you understood this problem clearly? Okay. So our second problem in half angle formula is this: in any triangle ABC, prove that a plus b plus c whole square divided by a square plus b square plus c square equals cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 divided by cot a plus cot b plus cot c. Is it clear? Now, we have all seen that cot a by 2 is nothing but, what is the formula of cot a by 2? I have done it in the first sum, isn't it? So, what is that? It's s into s minus a by del, right? Similarly, cot b by 2 will be s into s minus b by del, and cot c by 2 will be s into s minus c divided by del. Now, let me take the right hand side. Let me take the numerator of the right hand side. That is, we are trying to find out what is cot a by 2, cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2. So just apply this half angle formula. We are getting s into s minus a by del, s into s minus b by del, and s into s minus c by del. So if we take del common, so we are having s into, if I take s common also, we are getting s minus a plus s minus b plus s minus c, which yields 3s minus a plus b plus c. Right? So we are having what? S into 3s minus 2s divided by del. So we are having s square by del. So just keep this thing in your hand. Cot a by 2 plus cot b by 2 plus cot c by 2 is nothing but s square by del. Let me just write it here. This part, because I am going to rub this portion, it is nothing but your s square by del. That's exactly what we got. Okay? Is it clear? Now let me just rub this portion. Now let us to the denominator of your right side. We are having what? We are having cot A plus cot B plus cot C, which if I convert it in terms of sine and cos, we are going to get cos A by sine A, cos B by sine B, and cos C by sine C. Now, if we apply the cosine formula for cos A, we are going to get what? What is cos A? B square plus C square minus S square divided by 2BC. Similarly, for cos B, we are going to get A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC sine B. And for cos C, we are going to get A square plus B square minus C square divided by 2AB sine C. Now, can you remember the area formula of any triangle? How we find out the area of any triangle? This side is A, this side is B, and this side is C. So the area of the triangle will be what? Half into product of any two sides. Let me take A and C, and the sine of the angle between them. Is it clear? So that is nothing but the area of the triangle ABC. Is it clear? Now, in this case, observe BC sine A. Your BC sine A can be written as, look at carefully, it is 4 times half BC sine A. Yes or no? Now, BC sine A will give you nothing but the area of the triangle. So, in this case, so I am not writing it. I've just written this thing just to make you understand. So, I'm directly writing it here. It is nothing but your 4 del. Similarly, this thing is also 4 del. Similarly, this thing is also your 4 del. Have you understood this? Is it clear to all of you? Absolutely. Now, if I take 4 del LCM, so what we are going to get? B square plus C square minus S square. Is it clear? C square goes off, B square goes off, A square goes off. So A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 del. Is it clear? Therefore, the denominator of the right hand side, which is nothing but your cot A plus cot B plus cot C, gives you A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 del. Now, in the numerator, that is cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2, we got it as A square by del. So, what we are going to get here? Now, let me just rub this portion. And in the right hand side, now you observe carefully, in the right hand side, we are going to get now A square by del divided by A square plus B square plus C square divided by 4 del. Is it clear? So what we are having now, del goes off. So it's 4A square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. Now 2S is nothing but what? A plus B plus C. 4A square can be replaced by A plus B plus C whole square divided by A square plus B square plus C square. That's it. And that is nothing but your left hand side. Have you understood the problems based on this half angle formula? The first question that we have solved, that if ABC are in AP, the first problem of this section, that is problems based on half angle formula, we have learned that if ABC are in AP in any triangle, then cot A by 2, cot B by 2, cot C by 2 are also in AP. So for this section, you please remember this result, because this result will be useful for solving, other kinds of problem that we will face afterwards. Is it clear to all of you? Now, this question is also clear to all of you. Now, in this problem, what we have done, we have taken first the right hand side. We found out what is the value of cot A by 2 plus cot B by 2 plus cot C by 2. Then we got what is the value of cot A plus cot B plus cot C. And then we have divided to get my final answer, which is given in the left hand side. Is it clear to all of you?